Babe, what did you put on here? Because I know you want to be popular. You want to be popular. Hello, my loves. How are you today? Good, good, good. Okay, well, so I ordered a bunch of things and today 2 boxes came in. And so I don't even remember what I ordered, like some gym pants and my niece's her birthday party is gonna be tomorrow. So her theme is Lilo and Stitch. So we ordered a lot of Lilo and Stitch things, like some slime. And then I know there was like a Barbie doll, Ken, and another Barbie doll set from her wish list. So we pulled those 2 things, but the majority of the items wouldn't even be here on time because they weren't Prime. So we went ahead and found some other items like this adorable bracelet with Stitch on it, and then a couple of his friends. And I like that style because they have the loops on it because her wrist is so little and tiny. That way she can go ahead and hook the loops in. I have to show you when it gets here. And then I also got a cute little brush, and it comes with these little hair bows so she can brush her hair, and Stitches on the front. I think he's surfing. And then we got some hair bows, and then a little plush. So it's super, super small, super cute, and it looks like Stitch, so I like it. It was between that one and like another plushier pillow, but this one looked more like Stitch, so we went with that one. Actually, my husband thought we were gonna pick up everything today at Ross, but I went ahead and ordered that stuff anyway, just in case Ross didn't have anything that we were looking for, especially Stitch stuff, because like I love Ross, but it's hit or miss what they have as far as toys and everything. And I'll see if there's anything that I can buy as well that I can incorporate into these movies so we can have interactive time together. Okay, guys. Okay, so the first thing, actually, let me try these Hello Kitty little candies I got from Ross like ages ago. Okay, so it's right here. And look, the sticker's still on it. Ross. So I don't even know what these are, but it looks so cute and I saw it at the checkout, so I'm like, I have to try these. So they say Hello Kitty strawberry chewy candy. So that can be anything. First thought that came to mind was bonbons. Take a look. So, and then the back, it's a picture of Hello Kitty right here in a little carriage. So cute. So what do you say? Should we try it? Let's try it. Gosh, these things are huge. It smells kind of like a yogurt. Material is kind of like gummy. Look at this. Let's try it. Interesting. They remind me of a candy that I used to have before, but I don't know the name. Pretty tasty though. Bear, come try this. Well, just come here. So these from Ross. Try.
Oh.
It's good though. Babe, eat that.
No, this one's for you.
You don't like?
2 kitty paws down. No, I'm just kidding. It's okay.
Really?
I was thinking they were gonna taste like a
Bonbons?
No, not a bonbon. You know, like those Scooby snacks, the gummy ones. I thought it was gonna taste like one of those. That's how pretty he looked all day.
Bear, I love you. I love you.
Is that my cameo?
Your cameo?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So I like them. Baby, the tree is very yellow. We need to turn it off.
Okay.
Where are you sneaking off to?
Oh, I was waving at the camera from behind the tree.
Mm.
Okay, what am I doing? Just turn it off?
Mm-hmm. It's very yellowy. Thanks, baby. Okay. Okay, you guys. Okay, so the first box we got has a gift receipt. It says, a gift for you. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. Okay, so the first thing is what she had on her birthday wish list, which is Crazy Slime Stitch Slimy Figure. Take a look. This is so cute. Let me focus it. Focus on me. What in the world? Okay, there we go. Okay, you guys, look. Look how cute. This looks so much fun, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I should go buy myself one of these. No, I have slime. I don't think I have a blue one though. I have like orange and pink. But yeah, cute, right? So this is the Crazy Slime. Little slime bubbles up there. Love it. Love it so much. She'll love it too. Okay. And then the second thing I bought, oh, this is the bracelet I'm talking to you guys about. Look. Did you know, I heard that they're making a real live action Lilo and Stitch. Smells like, I don't know, a store. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, this is adorable. The bag down. Okay, guys, look at this. Tell me that this is not the cutest. Like, seriously. Look at this. It's so cute. Look. Focus. Focus on Stitch. Ah, yes, there we go. Look how cute. This little hula skirt. And then you have your little emblem, your flower, another bedazzled jewel. And then you have another bedazzled jewel. And then this really nice leaf next to another jewel. And I like this one because you can take this apart here, and then when she puts it on her little baby wrist, you can adjust it here so that it stays on the whole time. But it's so cute, and it's so soft and shimmery and shiny. I love it. I think she'll love it, you guys. Do you love it too? So cute. Okay, so that was that. Now there's still one box behind it. Tuck that right back in here. Okay, close it up. We'll give it to her tomorrow. Okay, so the second box. Okay. is having a gift for you. Enjoy your gift tag on this too. And then I need to open it. Okay, so we have a couple items in here, which is great. So the first one is what she had on her wish list. So this is who is this? Ken and who? Who is Ken? Who you run around with these days? Ken and Barbie. It's got Barbie. It's Barbie, y'all. Okay, look at this adorable outfit though that she's wearing. Sorry for all the glares, you guys. Look at that. She's so cute. She has like a tree behind her, some bushes, and then they're like at a little bistro having a fancy lunch. So cute. She has a rose in her hand like she's on The Bachelor. It's adorable skirt. And he's got some red sneakers on. Look at that. Okay, Ken. Okay. Oh, look at them on the side too. And then in the back. So let's do this maze. Let's go to the left. No, that's a dead end. Okay, let's try it again. Start here. Dead end. Okay, so let's start on the other side. And that was it. That's a Barbie from going on this side. You can pick up the little roses along the way too. That's so cute. All right, you guys, well, this is the first, I guess, doll gift, because the first one was a slime and then the second was a bracelet. So you have this one. And then also what we have for her is this little brush set. Ooh, I love me some bubble paper. Okay. Now inside of this bag, you're gonna have the brush, and then it has the little hair bow set too. Look. They have like a sequin bow. It's gorgeous. Look how cute. Sparkle is gonna catch all the light. Look at that. Wow. And then down here you have a one that has stitch on it. Look. A little girlfriend. And then you have a beautiful blue one because Stitch is blue. Now this is more like a Cinderella princess blue. And then you have Stitch on the last, ooh! Stitch on the last piece as well. This is so adorable. It makes me want to buy one for myself. But as you guys know, I can only comb or brush my hair when I'm washing it, so wouldn't do me any good. Cute. And then here's the brush. got some adorable little hearts on it too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 6. Actually, there were 7. There was one on the very bottom, and then it says at Disney. And then you got the bristles. And then on the back, you have Stitch. Look at him on his cute little surfboard. He's just out here catching a wave. Adorbs, you guys. So cute. So that's all what came through in the mail so far. I think the last thing or the last item, I think there were 5. Okay, so the little Stitch doll. So we have the slime, we have the Barbie, we have the bracelet, and the hairbrush. Okay, so we're just needing the little Stitch doll. And I'll be sure to show you in the next video if I crank this one out before I get the Stitch doll, because it should be coming between now and 10 p.m. tonight. I just need it before tomorrow because the party's at 11, and she's going to a pizza or cupcake making place. So you can reserve it for like 10 or 15 kids for your party. It's like 20 bucks a person, and then they all go to like this chef's kitchen, and then they get to make their own pizza or make their own cupcakes. It's so cute. I don't know which one they signed up for tomorrow, but all about it. And we're gonna have a good time, and we're gonna give her cute little gifts, and we're gonna see cute little babies and friends, and I'm so excited. All right, my love, sorry. I can literally do that all day long. I can't brush my hair right now because one, you can only brush it when it's in the shower, or else it's just not gonna cooperate and it's gonna look so poofy and big. Like right now it has like some mousse in it, and you know, to kind of keep it like together and like tame and styled and everything. But yeah, I do love getting a good hairbrush and a hair comb. Oh, it's the best, you guys, the best. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in to checking out this video. Next for sure is going to be the whole head shave, and I promise, because I am filming it next, and I'm gonna try to get both of these videos out today. Today is Wednesday, and I got out of work early. So of course, the first thing I do is come home and film for you guys, because that's like all I want to do. I have to eat lunch though. It's now 3 o'clock and I haven't eaten, but I don't want to eat because I want to just hang out with you guys all day. But I'm so excited that you guys were here to open up these gifts with me, and I hope you like it. And yeah, just have the best day, and I will see you on the next one when I shave your head. Until next time, bye.